Hello everyone. Hello. We are doing the same style that I did a couple of days ago, but now I'm doing it on a client. This will be her individuals, so she will have all of this crocheted. This is her braid pattern. So she has a total of 2, 4, 6, 8 braids. And then she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of individuals with at least 5 to 4 on each row. So I'm just going to put those away. I'm going to start with the crochet first. This is what they look like. They come 12 in a pack. And you get 2 accent ones in each one that have the yarn attached to them. So this is the hair that we're using today. And you want to use at least 2 finger spaces or a finger space between each one as if they were individuals. You know, so if I put a braid here, then that'll be a space and the next one will go there. So here, I will put one here, skip this finger space, and then put one there. This will alleviate having such a huge amount of hair in your head so you don't look like a crazy person. Make sure that the latch is closed, and I turn my latch with the hook facing the scalp so it comes right through and it doesn't snag the hair. Stick your finger through, pull it through. And if you want to create a curl at the end, all you do is take the end and just pull it and squish it up. And you'll get a curl that's separate from the rest of the hair. So it'll look like that. Again, open your latch. This is here, so finger space. The next one will go here. Close, turn it backwards, slide it right on through. Very easy. This style doesn't take long at all to do. And I'll just go back in and pull them once I've installed them, just for the sake of the video. So I'll do this side, then I'm gonna do the individuals to show you all.
So how long does the hair have to be in order to get this style?
As long as your hair can be braided, you're fine. The longer your hair is, if your hair is longer than the locks, then it's gonna be a problem. So shoulder length hair is perfect.
Do you prefer relaxed hair or natural?
Either is okay. It's a great protective style for anyone, relaxed or natural. Most of my clients are natural and love protective styles that are lightweight like this one and fashionable, and that doesn't take a long time to install. You know, they're very lightweight compared to if you were to get individual faux locks. Very, very lightweight. Very carefree. You can go swimming in these. Like if you're going on vacation and you want to protect the style that you don't have to worry about crochet locks, crochet twists, crochet braids. Because the hair is synthetic, it's an amazing carefree style to get.
And how long can you wear these?
You can wear crochet, I would say about 6 to 8 weeks, as long as you're cleaning your scalp in between. No longer than 6 to 8 weeks without, you know, taking them out, shampooing your hair thoroughly, treating your scalp, deep conditioning your hair. As long as you're doing that, your scalp is healthy, you're good. So now we're going to move on to the first row of individuals, and I'm going to show you all how I do those. So I just took the hair and I separated them into 2 little boxes. I braided about 1 inch, and then I started twisting so it'll be easy to remove. The product that I used was the Shine and Jam conditioning gel, extra hold, so when she takes her hair down, it won't feel dry.
And she's natural, right?
She is natural. You open your hook, slide it through the base of the braid, and you crochet it through just like you crocheted through the cornrow braid. Open up. You're gonna pull her hair and the lock through and tighten it. Now these coil a certain way, so if I turn it to the left, it opens up. If I turn it to the right, it gets tighter. So I'm gonna open it up, and as I'm opening, I'm just wrapping it around her hair.
So this is a very good style to actually wear in between any other protective style, because the scalp is actually free. You can go in and actually moisturize your hair properly. If you have any dandruff issues, it can be taken care of easily because of the free scalp. And like some people would say, let your scalp breathe.
So I'll do this one.
And this service is online, so they can schedule it.
Yes, you can schedule this service online at GinaGotMeRight.com. Click on the book appointment, and this service is called the Braidless Crochet / crochet style. Crochet braids, actually. So what I'm doing now is just opening this up. So
how many? Okay, how many packs of hair did you?
We're gonna use 6 packs. Well, she purchased 6 packs, but we probably won't use all 6. I can see it unwrapping in the room. So you just keep unraveling and wrapping until you get to the end of the hair, and then the crochet braid pretty much just feeds it in. And if you don't like the shape, if it's too loose, too open, just palm roll it. And it'll take back the natural shape of it.
So she's using the Bae Locs by Bobbi Boss.
And her hair is well hidden. Underneath you can see the braid, but from the top it looks just like a regular lock. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments down below. Y'all have a great day, and thank y'all for watching.